So here we're going to have a look at the range of Zoom recorders, or part of the range, starting from the H1 here, very simple, XY, point and shoot with a record button, headphone volume on one side, all the other controls and volume for your input recording on this side. It does also have an input for a line input if you wanted to plug an external device in, or it's got a built-in XY. To switch it on, we press the arm button. Then we've got the H2, and just so you don't get mixed up, we have the Q2 here as well. Now the Q2 is a video camera with built-in audio as well, with a nice mic on there, high sound pressure level capability, good for concerts, things like that. The H2N is a nice little versatile device that's got a number of microphone settings, so it'll do almost an omni or a 4-channel quad recording, or you can simulate, so you can turn that into a 5.1, or it's got a 2-channel, standard 2-channel, or an XY, just the standard like this style microphone configuration, or we've got a mid sideband, so we can actually vary the width of the stereo. Now that could be quite useful if you're doing zooms, so you can actually zoom the width of your sound to match the zoom of your picture. We've also got the two bigger ones. We've got the H5, which is sort of a replacement of the H4, pretty much standard sort of use for recording interviews, etc. It's got interchangeable capsules here. We can have the XY, or we could have XLRs in the bottom there, and you can do a multi-track for the two, so you can do 4 tracks at a time. If you want more tracks than that, you can move up to the H6. Now the H6 again has got replaceable detachable microphone attachments, so we can put a range of different sorts on there. We've also got 4 XLR inputs on it, so we can do up to 6 channels of recording. So if you've got boom mics or radio mics, you can plug into here, and you can still do an ambient sound with the 2 XY microphones. If you need to go more than that, we could go to the big daddy one, where we've got 8 XLR jack combo sockets on here, plus mini XLRs, and we've got 8 channels available on that. So in the back of this thing, we can actually open this up and pull the battery compartment out, and you can either use camera batteries for it, or you can actually open this up and fill it with AAs. Awful lot of AAs. Alternatively, you can use the power supply supplied with it. We also have a 24 channel audio, but it's still only got 8 inputs, so it's a bit of a different beast. It's not really the location recording that these will cover. So let's go through each of these one at a time and have a closer look.